Well, hello everyone. It's Johnny Bracco, the Angelic Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. So, today we're going to enjoy silence. That's what we're going to focus on. So, take your time closing your eyes, making yourselves comfortable. Take one big deep breath in, breathing in new energy, and letting go, exhaling stresses. And then just listen to the quiet. Whatever thoughts or feelings or concerns come up for you, hand them off to your angels who are already gathered all around you, beautiful beings of light. And see them lifting that all away for you, bringing it to the heavens, back to heavenly love and light. And then keep coming back to this moment, enjoying peace and enjoying quiet. Finding that place of calm, serenity within yourself. Letting everything else go. Continuing to give any other thoughts and concerns and pains and worries to your angels, thanking them for taking that all away from you. Seeing them spread their wings and fly all of that heavy energy out of the scene back to heavenly love and light. Coming back to the present moment to complete peace and quiet. Practicing finding that peace in this moment and every moment of your life. Being super gentle and compassionate with yourself as you practice enjoying every moment of peace. And sense and feel the love of the angels all around you, the love and the light of the Creator all around you, resting and basking in that love and light as you align with that loving light in complete and total peace and bliss. Letting your mind rest, letting your heart and emotions rest, letting your physical body rest, and letting your spirit be free, completely at peace. Letting yourself smile, basking in that beautiful, calming energy. Remembering to take this time for you every day, in the morning, during the day, at night, as much as you can, taking this time to rest and be in peace and gratitude for all that you have, all that you are, and all that there is, knowing all is in divine order and all is loving light. Taking your time, gathering up all this beautiful energy, thanking your guides and angels, thanking the beautiful energies for being with you, bringing that peace to this time, to this place, back into your physical body, from your mental and emotional, and now your physical body, coming back to this very moment, transitioning and getting ready to bring all that peace to this world here and now. Welcome back, everyone. Keep resting in that peace and aligning with that peace, and bring that peace wherever you go. Have a wonderful day.